Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. The first one what we should do is to check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your device here. Then at the bottom we have update firmware, so you need to tap on it. And it checked for update, it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here you will have a button install and download and install, so just tap on it and update your software version. Next, if it didn't help you, maybe it's a problem of audio player. So let's say you listen music in Apple Music or Spotify or something else. Firstly, just remove it from the cache and open it again. And if it also didn't help you, go to the App Store or Play Market and check if you have the last version of this application. The last one, what we can do is to perform a factory reset. So go to the settings, open Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close it. At the bottom of the charging case we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger. And firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Forget the device. And forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see it as the device list. Now just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!